Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, today it's all about light. Now, light we know is really important. Contrast gives depth, it gives interest to our paintings. But have we thought about light as telling a story to become the focal point of your composition? Let me show you what I mean. I think that's going to be easier. We'll have an example of an onion and we'll look at different ways light can help you tell a story through your artwork. Follow me. So here we've got normal light, and this is just an average still life. There's no story here. But how about if we use a really strong light? So we're going to heighten those highlights on that left-hand side and really darken those shadows. We're putting in contrast. All of a sudden, this is a different feel. There's more drama going in here. But what happens now if the light is coming from the back? So we've got a backlit onion. So the front of this onion is all going to be in the dark. So let's shade that in and really darken that. Darken the foreground and the background as well, and create just a halo effect. And this can be really moody, great for night scenes or an atmosphere where you're wanting to know what's happening. It's a really lovely, mysterious feel. So what happens if your light source is coming from below? So now we're going to, again, change things up using our foundation knowledge of light. We're going to add the highlights at the bottom, a little bit of dark at the top, darken that background to add some extra contrast, and apply the light at the bottom. And now we've got a very different feel. And this is how we can use light to tell stories in our art. I hope that's been helpful. We do all these sorts of things in the Smart Art Academy, where we experiment and look at the why and have a look at how to make our paintings interesting using fundamental techniques, which are all in the Fundamentals Art course, which is inside the Academy, don't you know? Come along and join us, and I'll see you again on another 2-minute art hack. Bye.